In this video, we're going to look into a comparison between LangGraph versus CrewAI versus AutoGen. So let's look into each one of these platforms. So LangGraph here, it's actually an extension of LangChain used for building stateful multi-agent applications using like a graph-based architecture. Okay, so the main features of these, some of the pros are like, it has a tight integration with LangChain ecosystem, and it has built-in state management, and it's good for multi-agent collaboration and dynamic workflows. The only issue with that is that it has a steeper learning curve, especially for beginners. It might be a bit difficult, and also for those who are unfamiliar with long chain or graph concepts. Okay, and it's mostly tailored for long chain users only. The CrewAI, on the other hand, here, it's actually a Python-based framework for building agent-based systems, just like using a human-like organization metaphors. Okay, the main pros of this is that it has the intuitive team-based abstraction, and it has a quick setup for common use cases, and it has easily integrates tools and LLMs. The only issue with that, the cons, is that it can become hard to scale or manage in a very complex workflows, and it has limited support for advanced state management or dynamic decision making compared to LangGraph here. And AutoGen, on the other hand, which is by Microsoft, it's actually an open source framework used for building conversational like multi-agent systems. Okay, it has a powerful chat-based multi-agent framework, which is pretty good, and it's highly customizable agent interactions, and also it supports human in the loop, LLM to LLM, all these agents. Okay, it's actually good for like research and advanced agent simulations. But the issue with AutoGen is that it has less intuitive for production use without deep customization, and requires more expertise to design agent behaviors and control flows. So if you are after like, if you are after for something like for deep customization, or you need like multi-agent research or complex LLM conversations, then AutoGen will be an ideal option for you. Otherwise, if you want like a simple fast to build agent system with clear human role metaphors, then go for CrewAI. And you can use LangGraph if you want like a scalable complex workflow, and already you have been using LangChain and you just need state tracking across agents. Then if you're especially if you're a LangChain user, then LangGraph will be an ideal option for you. And I hope this information helps.